that no matter where you are in your life, no matter how low you have sunk,
This legislature only laws are made and executive, the organ of the government. Introduction. The 15th August 1947 is a red letter day.
That to his tell us a story about his mother that I am sitting on the floor.
The country successful in its first attempt.
Yes, shapes inside it. They may be big, long, and short, sudden.
First dynasty, I will say that because on that time so many things was destroyed by the Khilji dynasty.
Hey everyone, do you guys know about what is depression? If yes, that is good. If no, it's okay. I am here to tell us about depression. Depression is a living in our body that fight to our mind that we die. So before starting my topic, I introduce myself. I am Hina, a student of class 6, and I am going to tell view of my on depression. I want to know that no matter where you are in your life, no matter how low you have sunk, no matter how bleak your situation, this is not end. This is not end of your life. This is not final chapter of your life. I know it is difficult at right now, but if you just hang in there, stick it out, stay with me for a little while, you will find that this tough moment will be past. And if you are committed to using this pain, used to build your character and finding a greater meaning for this pain, you will find that this time you turn your life again around and you help others for going through this movement for this state struggle. It's estimated over a half population are suffer from depression and some stages that throughout their life. Rather than trying to cure it, it's important we know why we get down and then how we can change it. Because believe it or not, we create our own negative feelings and then ensure that we life around and be happy don't without we have something and we expect something more than that. So the reason why anyone get depressed always come down to the constant thought we think and constant belief we hold. Let me say again, the reason why anyone get depressed always the constant thought we think and constant thought we believe. So if I am thinking I am fat, horrible, ugly, then I must mostly likely to become a depressed and having a depression thoughts. If my thought process is I must be happy and having a happy life for me, that's why I'm not getting enough depressed. So the point here that is if someone is depressed, so there is also a external factor that is not materialized to their life. They have lost something out of this control and they have done something out of their control. The most common reason why people get depressed is losing of job and body figure comparing to others. So the only way to get out from these things, be happy what we have and focus on yourself every day. Don't give up. You must are worthy. You are worthy more than you are worthy more than you have experienced great life to be can to inspire others to be who look you and say he did it, she did it, then I can it too. So last time I'll repeat it again. Don't give up anything. Nothing lasts forever. Don't even paint. Thank you.
Good afternoon all my respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Samiksha Nishad from class 6. Today's my presentation topic is government. Means in this presentation I say about what are the functions, how many levels and how many types of government. So first, however, if we observe that if the teacher is absent in the class, then in her absence the student become indisciplined, right? Like they didn't follow the rules, they for a pen or a toy, there is also a person to guide him how to behave each other and how to talk each other. Means we need to follow rules and regulations set by this person, and this body of person which govern is called government. Government is a Latin word governor, which means to rule or steer a ship. Now, functions of government. There are three functions of government: legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature, the law-making organ of the body is called legislature. It is done in the parliament. Means in this legislature only laws are made. And executive, the organ of the government which execute various functions is known as executive. It is done by Prime Minister and his minister. Last one is judiciary. The organ that ensure we obey these laws is known as judiciary. They punish who break the rules. Now, levels of government. There are three levels of government: union or central government, state government and local government. Union or central government is the lowest national level government, and local government is the lowest form of government. Union territories has their own government. State government deal with the affairs of like interior state, civil system, education, wealth, transportation, etc. State is divided into district, block and village, and local government is panchayat and village. And types of government. There are three types of government: monarchy, dictatorship and democracy. Monarchy, it is the earliest form of government in which king or queen is at the head and people have no freedom and equality. In dictatorship is the same, there is no freedom and equality to express their feelings. Dictatorship is a type of government in which a single person, dictator or party has absolute power. Now, democracy. Democracy provides equality and justice, freedom to all citizens, and freedom and equality gives the right to vote. And this method of voting is called secret ballot. In democracy, it is a Greek word demokratika, which means the rule of the people. Thank you, and thank you Diksha ma'am to give me the opportunity to come here to present my presentation, and thank you Anand sir, Prashant sir and Srishti ma'am to organize the career class. Good morning all. My name is Anushka Sraso from class 6. Today I am give a presentation. My presentation topic is Independence Day celebration. Introduction. The 15th August 1947 is a red letter day in the history of India. On this day we become free. It has become our national festival. This day celebrated all over country with untold gaiety. Preparation. The year great preparation for the Independence Day celebration. The college building and ground clean and decorated. Thank you.
A very pleasant good afternoon to all of you. Myself Anshika Yadav from class 6. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my view on a discrimination. You all have seen in all over the India, not in India, in many countries the people are doing the discrimination between the girls and boys, gender, caste and many other things. In short form, I am going to tell you about the discrimination. Discrimination is treating a group less favored on the basis of their caste, religious and many other things. You all have seen if in a house the baby is going to born, everyone needs a boy because when boy will become a big, he will go to job, he will earn money and he will give to his parents. And the parents is becoming happy that my boy is giving me money and girl is nothing giving. So they are thinking that girl is only for doing the homework, but it is not right that girl is for doing only homework. They also can do the job. If you will get to them freedom, then they will do the work and they will also get the money, then they will give to you money. That's why don't compare to the girls and boys between discrimination. This topic basic delivery from the girls and boys because in India, in many countries, the people are doing the discrimination. And I'm going to tell you about my school. My school, the teachers are not doing the discrimination and the teachers behave politely to the student who is a strong bee in study. They do. For teacher, every student is equal. And I want to say for my school, East or West, the IRS is the best. The Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was from the Dalits caste and on the floor and the many students are sitting on the tables. So today his mother has said that we are from the Delhi, that's why we are sitting on the floor. He has thought we are also a person just like a normal, but this is a problem that we are not having a money. So he has said that in society this rule is only that Dalits will sit on the floor. He has said that I will become a big, then this rule should be not there. When he's done his graduation complete, then he has told to the society that this is not based on the fact that only Dalits will sit on the floor. Everyone should be equal. And thank you, our Diksha ma'am, to give, because of you I am able to stand here. And Prashant sir, Anand sir, Srishti ma'am, thank you to provide a career classes. Thank you and have a wonderful.
Good morning everyone, my name is Atul Mishra and I study in class 6. Today I am here to give a presentation and my presentation topic is Mangalyaan. On 5 September 2013, Indian Space Research Organization made history by launching its first Indian interplanetary spacecraft mission from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The Satish Dhawan Space Center, and India became the first Asian country to India became the first country to successful its first attempt. It is developed by Mangalyaan. It is developed by the ISRO, and the record period around 15 months to shortest interplanetary mission. The cost of the mission is around $74 million, and to explore it. And 24 September 2013, India space of 300 days deep into the space. A journey in Mangalyaan to enter the Mars orbiter. The orbiter traveled its 7 crore 80 lakhs kilometers to explore its mission. Thank you.
Hello all of you, my name is Tom Sani from class 8. Today I am going to give a speech on human skeleton. Our body is strongly supported with femur backbone, but without the framework we cannot stand straight and move around and all collapse immediately. This framework inside our body or bone are said to be skeleton. There are 206 bones in an human skeleton in total. The bones of the body in various shapes and sizes. They may be thick, long and short, certain may be small. The bones made of living cells. This is the reason behind our growth. Each of bones are hard from outside, but with a spongy tissue inside. The long bones inside our body contains a central cavity filled with a bone marrow. The tip of nose and the earlobe made of sometimes which are not as hard as bone. This is called cartilage. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Harsh Kumar Singh. I study in class 6. Today I am presenting my topic that was known as history, and history is divided into 3 parts: ancient, medieval, modern. My favorite is also medieval period because in this time so much grateful of India, and I will say so much thankful and I was so much glad because the teacher has started career class for our children that we can show our personality to ourselves. Now I will be presenting the medieval history. The medieval history started from the 1st century after BCE, AD after that of Jesus Christ. In this period, so many emperors came and shamans gone to India. First of all, we start from Mahmud Ghaznavi. Mahmud Ghaznavi has attacked to 70 times in India. In 17 times, he got so much money from Somnath Mandir, and then he got to any place. Then Muhammad Ghori came to India, and he is defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan 17 times, and 18 times he is defeated Prithviraj Chauhan, and his emperor was started. His slave name was Kutubuddin Aibak. He started his slave dynasty, and slave dynasty started for so many years. Then Khilji dynasty started. Khilji dynasty is the worst dynasty, I will say that, because on that time so many things was destroyed by the Khilji dynasty. Alauddin Khilji and Jalaluddin Khilji, these are the most powerful person on that time, and Jalaluddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji had destroyed the Nalanda University. Then Tughlaq dynasty. In Tughlaq dynasty so many rulers are there, but there are some few rulers who are most called a worshipful ruler and most powerful ruler. Firoz Shah Tughlaq was the most powerful ruler, and Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was also a ruler, but he's not so much powerful. And one person, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he is so much confused genius. He studied from LKG to class 4, and then also he was on that time knowledgeable person, and then time he also was first people on that list. Then Sayyid dynasty came, and he is not doing anything. But Lodi dynasty, the last ruler was Ibrahim Lodi, and Ibrahim Lodi, after the death of Ibrahim Lodi and defeated by the Babur, the Mughal dynasty started. Babur was the first ruler of the Mughal dynasty, and he started in first dynasty in Battle of Panipat first. In 1526, this was the first battle, and there are three types of Battle of Panipat. Battle of Panipat first, Battle of Panipat second, Battle of Panipat third. In second was held in 1556, and third was 1761. After the Babur's death, Humayun was his son. Humayun also he's feared from Sher Shah Suri, because his father has told that Sher Shah Suri was the most powerful ruler. In his childhood, Sher Shah Suri killed a tiger in his age, and Sher Shah Suri defeated the Humayun and stabilized his country. This stabilized his emperor, and is known as Shu dynasty. The last ruler of the Sher Shah Suri dynasty was the Sikandar Shah Suri. This was the last ruler. And then Hemu has came. In Hemu 1526, the Battle of Panipat was defeated by Akbar, and Akbar has won the match. And Humayun died on the Mahal of a Sher Mahal that was made by the Sher Shah Suri that was present in Delhi, and he was died on that after walking on the stairs. Now after the Babur's death, Jahangir has came. Jahangir period, the first Britisher has came, is known as Thomas Roe. The second name is James Watt first. These were the first person who has came on that time. Now after Jahangir, Shah Jahan has came, and Shah Jahan has built so many things, and Shah Jahan is also known as most good person, because he has made so much architect, and he is also the god of architect on India in medieval period. And he has made so Red Fort, Taj Mahal, and Giza Pyramid, so many things. Then Aurangzeb is the worst ruler of our country, because he has killed so many people in our country, and he has defeated so many people. Now after Akbar is also the richest person in the world, because Akbar has done so many things, and Akbar is also known as the most powerful and most good person on that time, because his height was, I think, 5 to 6 feet, and my grandfather also telling that he was so much powerful. But you know that our one person from our team has killed him, and he has defeated so many times. He not killed him, but he is defeated for so many times, and he never lose the battle. And his height was 8 feet, and 8 feet. That was so much graceful. That how his height. Now I will talk about Shah Jahan, because Shah Jahan is my favorite also, because he is so much architect and for that time. But Aurangzeb was the worst period. He has killed his father. That's why I said the worst son of the world, because he has killed his father for he was destroying my money. He was distributing the money for his architect. Aurangzeb has also built a Taj Mahal, but it was full copy of a Taj Mahal, but it's not looking so good. Then also it was looking so much good. Thank you.